So in this case, we have the absolute value of x is less than 5. That's how you'd actually read this mathematically or in English. So remember, if we have the absolute value bars around blah can be any mathematical expression, is less than a number. It's LTA, less than, this is less than symbol, less than and, okay? So what does this mean? That means and. So we're going to break it into two parts, and there's going to be an and in the middle. I'll put the little ampersand sign. I think it's called an ampersand. May not be. I'll just call it an and sign. So look, on the right-hand side, the side B, I'll call this side A. So side B, I'm just going to write it as is. X is less than 5. Side A, I'm going to kind of like multiply the right-hand side by -1. So that would be -5 then, and we switch the direction of the sign. Okay? We can do that with absolute value. I'm going to put the and between these. So x is greater than -5 and x is less than 5. So you're like, hey man, this is kind of limiting and you're right, it is. So I'm going to write 5 here, 0 here, and -5 here. When it's greater than -5, and yet at the same time less than 5. So it's limited to the numbers between -5 and 5, exclusive of the endpoints. What does it mean exclusive? It means I don't include actually -5 and 5. I can go all the way to the left to like -4.999999-ish, and then to the right all the way to 4.99999-ish. I say ish because you can go a little more or less. But in any case, we're not including the endpoints. And remember, LTA, less than and. So we have the absolute value expression of the left-hand side, less than a number. It's going to break into two parts with an and in the middle, and this would be your answer right there.